Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated. All tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars, but I couldn't make a killing. Didn't ever die, but I always had a vision, always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living, didn't know how, but I always had a feeling I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes. Mama said, something for oddities, stranger kisses. Ain't ever wannabes, waiting the novelties that don't ever change. We wanted everything, wanted everything. Stay up on that rise.
This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasts and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in the assigned areas. This is 97.9 WNCI-FM. We will continue to serve the Columbus area. If you are not in this local area, tune now into stations providing news and information for your area. This is the emergency alert system serving the Columbus area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone liner should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt our regular programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is 97.9 WNCI-FM. We will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions to the Columbus area. If you are not in the Columbus area, you should tune into stations providing news and information for your local area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station in your local area. Stand by. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will be speaking shortly.
This message is being authorized and transmitted at the request of the President, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the United States government. Effective as of 7:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. I regret to inform the citizens of the United States that an unusual and dangerous situation is taking place throughout the entire country. At approximately 5:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 5 animal children, which is a blue penguin, an orange moose, a pink ladybug, a yellow hippopotamus, and a purple kangaroo, which has been spotted in Columbus, Ohio. 1 minute later, these characters have been revealed by police and media. These characters are from a preschool show created by Nickelodeon, the Backyardigans. These characters include Pablo, Tyrone, Uniqua, Tasha, and Austin. 5 minutes later, the Backyardigans, who are seen roaming across Columbus, have turned hostile, and each character have various powers and abilities. Pablo uses the power to turn anyone into penguin-like monsters by throwing bioweapons containing a virus called as Pengu 2024 at anyone that they see in their wake. Tyrone uses the power to send meteors from outer space, make wildfires, and form firenadoes at some locations in the United States. Uniqua uses the ability to summon deer-sized, demonic ladybugs, cockroaches, mosquitoes, bees, flies, and gnats, and will attack anyone that comes across. Tasha has the power to summon extremely dangerous and aggressive dinosaurs of all species, mammoths, dragons, and demons, and Austin uses the power of forming tornadoes, black holes, and causing volcanic eruptions in some areas in the country. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation, and needs to be taken very, very seriously. My fellow Americans, no matter where you live, are strongly advised to do the following instructions, as it will increase your risk for survival. Go into a sturdy shelter, close, lock, and barricade all windows and doors, and seek shelter in a basement or an underground shelter immediately. Grab an important set of supplies for your shelter, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, toys, money, credit cards, sleeping items such as pillows and blankets, a first aid kit, a flashlight, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, toiletries, important documents, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio to last you and your family for the duration of this emergency. Turn off all lights inside your home. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Close all fireplace dampers and vents. Turn off all electronics such as televisions, computers, tablets, phones, and laptops. Finally, seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape, glue, damp clothing, and damp towels. If any of the Backyardigans break into your home, use armed protection by all means necessary. This includes deadly force. Most importantly, do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse as it is. My fellow American residents, this is literally an unexpected and deadly time in history. We haven't seen the Backyardigans coming to life, and goes on a rampage across our nation. The Backyardigans are supposed to be a show filled with adventures, fun, and nostalgia, not violence, death, destruction, fear, doom, and grief. Even though we're dealing with a lot of uncertainty and chaos, but we will rise up from the ashes as one country, under God, and rebuild the United States of America back to its former glory when this catastrophe is gone. We will be powerful and stronger than ever before. If we are in this together as a nation, we will get out of this event and we will go back to normal once again. Always have hope during these dark times. We are the United States of America, the land of the free, and the home of the brave. Thank you for listening this message, and God bless you all in America.
Yes.